Hi friends, welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to simple and healthy home style cooking. The recipe that I'm going to share today is Zafrani Pulao, which is also known as Saffron Rice or Kesar Pulao. A few months back I received a parcel from Kashmir online store for product review. This box had almonds, walnuts and a box of saffron. The first thing that I noticed about the almonds is that they were all not of the same size. Some were bigger, some were smaller, and some were even broken. You can visibly see the difference between our native Kashmiri almonds and the imported variety which are commonly found in supermarket these days. Taste-wise, both almonds and walnuts were good, although a few almonds were slightly bitter. The most impressive was the box of saffron. The moment I opened, I could smell its strong fragrance. The color and aroma was far superior than the ones we get in our local supermarkets. My instant thought was to make Zafrani Pulav with this high quality saffron and the nuts. Zafrani Pulav is a simple rice dish where Basmati rice is cooked with saffron and a few other spices. So here are the ingredients needed. I have taken 1.5 cups of basmati rice that I have washed and soaked in enough water, half an onion, 3 tablespoons of ghee, almonds, walnuts, cashews, raisins, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, little nutmeg, shahi jeera, a big pinch of saffron strands, warm milk to soak this, and hot water to cook the rice. As the first step, I soak the saffron in this warm milk. Saffron is the world's costliest spice. It imparts a beautiful golden yellow color and an aroma to the dish in which it is added. In India, saffron, also called kesar, is added to kheer and many other desserts. For making this Kesar Pulav, I take a big pinch of this saffron and gently rub it with my fingers. I then add it to the warm milk and let it soak until we get the other things done. You can see the saffron slowly steeping in the milk. Now let's start cooking. Here I have heated up a kadai. I am adding my ghee to it. First I'll add all the nuts and start toasting it on low flame till it becomes slightly brown. When it starts changing color, add the raisins. The raisins will start plumping up. At this stage, remove the nuts and raisins onto a bowl and keep it aside. In the remaining oil, add thinly sliced onions and start frying it. Once the onions become brown, remove it onto a bowl and keep it aside. We'll use it in the last. In the same kadai, add some additional ghee and add the black cumin or shahi jeera. Also add the cinnamon and cardamom. After about a minute, add the drained basmati rice to this. Fry this rice in the ghee for a couple of minutes. For 1.5 cups of basmati rice, I have taken 2.5 cups of hot water. Now I add this hot water to the rice. Add required salt, cover with a lid and let it cook for about 7 minutes. After some time, you can see that most of the moisture is absorbed and the rice is almost cooked. At this stage, add the saffron soaked milk, fried onions, fried nuts and little nutmeg powder to the rice. A little of these I keep for garnishing at the end. Cover again and cook for another 5 minutes. By now the rice will be perfectly cooked soft and the flavor of the saffron will be induced in it. Switch off the flame and gently mix everything. If you prefer, add a spoon of ghee at this stage. Keep it covered for 5 more minutes, after which you can serve it. So finally our Zafrani Pulav or saffron rice is ready. Look at the beautiful color that has naturally come from the saffron. For garnishing, you can add some toasted nuts, raisins, some fresh fruits or paneer cubes. I personally like to keep it plain like this. This pulav can be served with raita and any veg or non-veg curry. Do give this a try and share your comments. Thanks for watching. See you again with another interesting video. Until then, take care.